Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss Class 7 Biology, Chapter 5 Health and Hygiene. Review your learning portion. And it's answer in short and answer in detail. Question number D, answer in short. Number 1, what is hypersensitivity? Answer is an overreaction of the body's immune system to certain substances in amounts which are otherwise harmless and do not affect most people. It is known as hypersensitivity. Question number 2, what do you understand by cross allergy? Answer is in some cases, pollen allergy sufferers may also become allergic or develop a hypersensitivity to certain foods such as nuts, apple, stone fruits, peaches, and almond. This is called a cross allergy. Number 3, what are dust mites? Dust mites are tiny creatures which are not visible to the naked eyes. They float in the air and are found in every corner of our house. Number 4, give one example each of seasonal and perennial allergy. Example of seasonal allergy is pollen allergy. Example of perennial allergy is allergy by pet animals. Number 5, name any two allergy testing method. The allergy testing methods are skin prick test and allergen specific immunoglobulin test. Answer in detail E. E1, describe the concept of allergy. Answer is allergy is an overreaction of the body's immune system to certain substances in amounts which are otherwise harmless and do not affect most people. It is known as hypersensitivity. Our immune system is a defense system that protects us from diseases by destroying infections agents like bacteria and viruses as soon as they enter our body. In case of allergies, it recognizes harmless substances like pollens, certain foods, and medicines as infectious and fights them, causing overreaction. Most common allergic reactions can be seen in the form of rashes on the skin, sneezing, and smelling. Allergies are common all over the world. Question number 2. What are allergies? Write a note on sunlight allergy. Answer is allergy is an overreaction of the body's immune system to certain substances in amounts which are otherwise harmless and do not affect most people. Sunlight allergy. Some people develop allergic reactions when they step out in sunlight. This is generally seen as itchy rashes on the skin which is exposed to sun. In severe cases, the rashes may spread to skin under the clothes. The sun-altered skin is recognized as foreign by the immune system, which triggers allergy. Certain medications may also cause sensitivity to sun. Question number 3. Write a note on dust allergy. Discuss different allergies present in the dust. Dust is composed of tiny mud particles and any allergy triggers. Dust allergy can cause hay fever, also known as allergic rhinitis. Symptoms include sneezing, red and teary eyes, and itchy and runny nose. Different allergies present in the dust are dust mites. Dust mites are tiny creatures which are not visible to the naked eyes. They float in the air and are found in every corner of our house. They feed on the dead skin of humans and animals and are most common cause of dust allergy. Pollen grains. Pollen grains are very light and are easily carried away by wind for long distances. They cause allergic reactions in some people when inhaled. Mold spores. Molds are fungi. They produce spores which are like seeds that grow and develop into fungi. They are present in the air that we inhale. Spores require warm and moist or damp conditions to grow. Question number 4. What are the symptoms of allergy shown in different organs? There is a list of affected organs and their symptoms. First, nose. Runny nose, stuffy nose and sneezing. Sinuses, allergic sinusitis. Eyes, redness, itching and watery eyes. Airways, sneezing, coughing, bronchoconstriction, wheezing and shortness of breath. Ears, pain and impaired hearing due to lack of eustachian tube drainage. Skin, rashes such as eczema and hives. Gastrointestinal tracts, abdominal pain, bloating, vomiting and diarrhea. Question number 5. Write the steps to be taken to prevent allergy caused by the followings. Number A. Dust allergy. First, remove items that collect dust such as carpets, rugs, magazines and books. Number 2. Vacuum upholstered furniture regularly. Number 3. Use pillow made with synthetic fibers. Number B. Food allergies. Avoid eating allergic foods. Number 2. Always read the ingredients of the packaged food items before eating them. Number 3. Avoid eating outside food as you cannot figure out the ingredients used in cooking them. Number C. Mold spores. 1. Use air conditioner and dehumidifiers to reduce indoor humidity. Number 2. Remove indoor plants. Number 3. Keep your house dry.